Hello family, this is True Sugar and I'm coming to you with an update on my 2020 vision project pan. I don't really have a lot of progress. I'm just filming this update early so that I can get on train with uploading my videos close to the within the first week of each month for me. I may not be able to get it in on the first, but definitely within the first week. I would like to have my project pan update to you guys. So let's chit chat a little bit. So let's talk about I haven't used the concealers or the foundations. I do have on the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner with the lip gloss from Dose of Cover. I do have on the BFF lip liner topped with the Dose of Colors over the top lip gloss, and it's pretty. It's nice, nudie, everyday, work appropriate. So that's nice. Let's see. I haven't really used any of the lipsticks. No, any other products. I haven't used anything lately. Matter of fact, the first thing that I used was I'm looking down at the list that I have. The first thing I tried to do was use my Coastal Scents eyeshadows, and I found that I was getting a very muddy look. Like, it just didn't look right, and I was having a problem with what I was seeing. So there's a young lady on here who makes videos, and her name is Whitney, and she talks about, sorry about the sound. There's a young lady on here named Whitney, and she does a video on the different brushes to use to apply your eyeshadow color. And I realized that, and I'm going to link it down in the bottom bar when I put this video up. It's gonna be some continuous editing to make sure that I have all the information that you need in the bottom bar to this video. But I found that, excuse me, hiccups. I found that it really wasn't a problem with the eyeshadows per se, my technique with the brushes. And once again, practice makes perfect in doing this. So I needed to, the brushes that I had chosen to do this with, let's talk like, I was using brushes like this for like doing my crease, applying my transition shade. Let me put these over here. I was using brushes like these for like putting in my first crease shade and trying to put it in a second crease shade and a transition shade, and using this for my crease and trying to use this to line, and it wasn't working. But I think it was my technique. I was trying to use, I believe, this brush right here, which is essentially just a nice blending brush for all three transition eyeshadows, the same brush. I wasn't using a different brush each time, and that was like muddying up the look. And then this pretty big dense brush here, I was trying to put into my crease, so the color was getting, you know, I don't know if you can see right here, like the color was like, it's too big for what I wanted to use it for. So I'm saying this to say that as you are working to use up your eyeshadows and really focus in on making progress with your products, check your technique. If what you're doing isn't coming out the way you want it to, check your technique. And I have some new brushes, and I am switching up which brushes I use for what, because in reality this brush is a deluxe crease brush, and I believe it's mainly used for like liquid concealer. I don't believe it's meant to be used on my eyeball, I don't think, or at least not in the way that I had intended to use it. Maybe it should be like a first brush. I think I'm going to go back to the Real Techniques YouTube page and check out how they're actually using this brush. And also this brush right here, I was trying to use it for crease work, but I think it's best for putting down, and I don't know why it's bent, y'all, but for putting down color. So I'm recognizing that in this project, no matter what you decided to use, there is going to be a learning curve to get it down packed. And what's so awesome about this project is that it is 18 months. So you can see what you're doing wrong, make adjustments, and move forward. I made it so that with this project pan, I have enough wiggle room to use the products from other project pans intermingling with this one and still come up with great looks, as long as I'm being consistent about using my products. And that's kind of where my struggle has been, because and I'm learning that I'm having to be successful the way I want to. I really cannot watch haul videos. I really cannot be focused on all the different things that are going on. I have to try to hone in on what I want my look to be and what I'm trying to do with my current collections to make my project pans successful as far as moving them along. Because I noticed that when I am like focused on creating that 5-minute face, I can snap it out real quick if I give myself some time to think about it. But I have to give myself time to think about it. So as far as the makeup, so no real progress except for learning a better technique to use my products. And I will link down Whitney's video. She has a cat eye smoky eye look, and she also has a classic smoky eye look that I want to use for my eyeshadows, and I'll link her channel and those videos in my description box. So that's where I am with my shadows. I haven't used any other makeup from the project as of yet, other than planning the foundation and the concealer. Once I have been using, let me correct that, I have been using my Mally eyeliners and my Urban Decay eyeliners, both in the dark brown shades, because for some reason, even though it's summertime, I really am feeling the dark brown shade, so I have used those. What else? I have started incorporating the Living Grace fragrance over the last 2 weeks into my regiment, and I like it. It's very soft, it's very pretty, it goes on the skin well. And that's about it. I haven't really added in any new things to this, but I wanted to let you guys know where I was, so when I come back to you in a month from now, I can have some better progress and show you some pics, I hope. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments or recommendations down below, let me know. If you are doing the 2020 project pan below, let me know. If you're doing any other type of project pan, let me know, because I'm interested in watching them. Because watching project pans and watching people use up their stash, it really helps me to stay motivated with what I'm trying to do. And I look forward to watching those videos. Yeah, what else can I update y'all on? I failed the No by July. Yeah, I failed that. I didn't think I was gonna make it anyway, but I got my employee discount at Ulta, the family and friend thing, or associate appreciation, one of those things, and I bought some items, and so I'll show those to you too eventually. And yeah, rambled on enough. Let me know what your thoughts are, what techniques you're using to help you work through your products, and I will see you in the next video. And I look forward to your comments. Thumbs up if you like this video and it was helpful to you. I'm going to share it with someone that you think could utilize the help. Have a wonderful and blessed day.